Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this crochet flower granny square pattern. It's made with 3 color yarns, and this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook, and we will start with a magic ring. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the ring. Chain 1, and this combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet. We will continue to make 11 more double crochets, so we have a total of 12 double crochets. So we have our first here. Let's do the second one. 2, 3, 4, and so on until we reach 12. I have completed my 12 double crochets, and now we will close the ring like this. And we will join the work, but first we will cut the yarn and we will join in this way in order to have a nice and even edge. So we will search the first stitch on this round, and this is the first one, and we will bring this yarn through the back of the work like this, and we will go from the back within this stitch, this last one, and bring the yarn through this stitch like this. We will weave in our ends and join the next color. We will start our next round with the next color, and we will make a slip knot first. We should have 12 stitches now on our work, and we will start working on this round on the petals. So we should have at the end of this round 12 petals in total, and we can start working from any stitch that we want. First we will make 1 double crochet, and for this we will yarn over and make 1 double crochet, and we will work into the same stitch and make 3 half completed triple crochets. So we will yarn over twice this time, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull the yarn through 2, pull the yarn through 2, and stop here. So this is a half completed triple crochet, and we will do 2 more of these. Yarn over twice, and one more, and we have now 4 stitches and 4 loops, and we will pull the yarn through all these loops, and we will close the petal in this way, and we will chain 3, and we will go into the next stage and do 4 half completed triple crochets. So yarn over twice, we will stop here, so we have 2, 3, and 4. We have now 5 loops on the hook, and we will pull the yarn through all of them, and then we will chain 3. We have now 2 petals made. So our iteration for this round will be 4 half completed triple crochets and chain 3. Let's do one more. So yarn over twice, go into the next stage, so we have our first one here, second, third, and fourth. And we have now 5 loops on our hook, and we will pull the yarn through all these loops and chain 3. We will continue in the same way until we reach the end, and should have by the end of this round 12 petals. I am now at the end of this round. I have 12 petals, and I will chain 3 more, 1, 2, and 3. I already cut my yarn, but you can do this step without cutting the yarn. And I will go into this first stitch here, the one above the petal, and bring this loop through the stitch like this, chain 1, and this round is completed. Now we will join the next color. We will start our next round, and we will make a slip knot with the new color. Here we will work in any of these chain 3 spaces between the petals, and we will work first into this chain space. We will work 3 double crochets, so we will yarn over, and we have 1 double crochet, 2, and 3, We will go into the next chain 3 space and make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Into the next chain 3 space, we will work 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. So we will work our first corner to create the square. So let's do a set of 3 double crochets first. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, and into the same space we will do another set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And our first corner is ready. And we will continue in the exact same way. So into the next 2 spaces we will make one set of 3 double crochets. Let's do this one more time. So 3 double crochets, and into the next one 3 more double crochets. Into the next space we will make another iteration of 2 sets of 3 double crochets separated by 2 chains in order to make the second corner. So one set, chain 2, and the second set. And here we have our second corner. So we will continue to work in the same way. We will continue in the next 2 spaces to work one set of 3 double crochets. Into the next one we will make a corner. Here we will make another 2 sets of 3 double crochets, and we will end here with the last corner of this square. I am now at the end of this round, and we will join the work from the back of this first stage. Chain 1, and we will go into the first stitch, this one, the one corresponding with the first double crochet from below from the 3 set of double crochets, and we will make one single crochet. Chain 1, and this will count as our first double crochet for this round. We will continue to work in each stitch until the corner one double crochet. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochets. And with this first one we should have 9 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, corresponding in the exact same way with the double crochets from below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 here. And into the corner we will work 2 double crochets first into this corner space, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2, and we will work in the exact same way until the end of this round. Make sure that you work the next double crochet into this stitch, the one corresponding to the first from the 3 double crochets set from below. Let's do this 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And we will continue in the same way on this side of the square, and we will work 9 more double crochets until we reach the second corner. And we will do the same here. We will make 4 double crochets separated by 2 chains as we did here, and work in the same way throughout the entire round until we reach the end here. I am now at the end of this round, and we have to check that we have between these corner spaces 16 double crochets in total across the edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So they should be the exact number of double crochets from the round below. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 3 double crochets, so this means 12, plus the 2 ones from the corner, from the one corner, and the 2 others from the other corner. This makes 16 double crochets across the square side. In order to finish the work, we will cut first the yarn and go into this first stitch, the one above the first double crochet, and pull the yarn through this stitch like this, and go into the last stitch from the middle and pull the yarn through this space. In this way we have a nice and even edge of the square. Next we will weave in the ends, and our square is ready. You can continue to make it bigger if you want. So this is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!